Bassett here, and I'm going to talk about my 7 favorite lifts to pack on mass fast. Let's get into it. Starting off in the top spot is one of my favorite chest exercises, the incline bench press. I like the incline bench press because it focuses on your upper chest. It really gives you those muscles that show through in a tank top. And since it focuses on the top of your chest, it really helps to kind of take away from that man boob looking effect. Up next is a staple chest exercise, the bench press. The flat bench press really focuses on building your chest muscles, your shoulders, and your triceps. It's one of the classic exercises and is pretty well known for developing chest and upper body strength. You're looking to go around between 8 to 12 reps. That's the optimal range for hypertrophy and muscle growth. The standing shoulder barbell press is also a great option for your shoulders. Since you're standing, it makes the lift more difficult because you have to brace your core for stability. And because you're using a barbell instead of dumbbells, it allows you to lift a little bit heavier weight. I would always press in front of your head because if you press behind the neck, it puts your shoulder in a mechanical disadvantage and can lead to injuries. One of my favorite exercises for building back thickness is the bent over row. If you use an underhand grip, it also activates your biceps in the movement. You want to keep your back flat, avoid rounding your back, as that will cause extra stress to your spine. You could perform this exercise with dumbbells as well if your wrist positioning is causing you discomfort. One of my favorite exercises for total body strength is the deadlift. The deadlift works your entire posterior chain from your legs to your butt to your back. It builds your total body strength like no other exercise can. As with any pulling exercise, you want to really focus on keeping your head up, chest out, and your back straight, because if you round your back, you're more likely to receive an injury. One of my favorite exercises for legs is the front squat. I prefer this version of the squat because it seems like it's more natural. I can't lift as much weight as I can with the back squat, but it hits the muscles a little different and still produces great results. If you find that resting the bar on your neck and shoulders is uncomfortable, try the front squat out. I think you'll like it better. And then in that token, the king of leg exercises is the back squat. The benefits of the back squat are pretty well known. It produces incredible gains in strength and size to your legs. It will also help build your butt and back. The squat is known as one of the kings of building total body mass because it produces the most growth hormone. They say for optimal results, your legs want to be at least parallel to the ground. But if you want to experience the maximal amount of growth possible, you want a full range of motion. That's it, my favorite exercises for bulking up fast. If you have any questions or comments, I'd like to hear from them. And if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.